Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to create box braids using expression. So you can use this hair to make crochets, you can use it to make a wig. So if you want to know the outcome of this, if you want to know how I came about this, if you want to know how I did it, please definitely keep on watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
So I'm going to go ahead and use this expression ultra braid in color 1, which is black, and I'm going to cut it into 3. So in all, I used about 3 packs of this expression. So what I'm doing here is to cut the hair into 2, and bearing in mind that one is bigger than the other, like to separate the hair into 2. And now I'm attaching it on this rope, and once you attach it on the rope, like we cross over to do it, you find out that you have 3 equal hair to work with. So guys, this video is self-explanatory, and I believe you understand it as you watch. So keep on watching, guys.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind, like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls, with each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. like an never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Just like another season.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite. Kinda love you, jiri bamo kiri kiri. Jiri bamo kiri kiri. Jiri bamo kiri kiri. Kinda love you, jiri bamo kiri kiri. Jiri bamo kiri kiri. Kinda love you, jiri bamo kiri kiri. Oh kiri kiri. Aloji kota rande na one eke one.